Text the Romance Back is an ebook guide that teaches you on how to bring that spark, that flame, back into your relationship. By following the 30-day guide, you will see a tremendous, positive change in your relationship's romance. Do you find yourself missing the flirting you once had with your other half? Do you long to be romanced, only to find another pile of smelly socks? If you miss the spark and fire that was once prevalent in your relationship, perhaps you are considering a guide about getting the romance back. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Renowned relationship guru who specializes in relationships and psychology of relationships, Michael Fiore authored this ultimate guide to correcting relationship issues. Having solely and in collaboration, authored extremely popular books in this sector, Michael has been made even more popular because of his appearance on Fox, NBC, The Rachel Ray Show, CBS Radio, authoring on WebMD and articles on Yahoo. As such, he is well known in his field. Relationships thrive on the intimacy romance. This program offers guidance about harnessing the power of messaging to create an intimacy in any relationship, from long distance to one with someone you already live with. Why texting? As we begin to get more comfortable in a relationship, sometimes we get confused about intimacy. We forget it or confuse dependence for it. This guide essentially centers around the approach that sending a carefully worded and timely text message can reignite the embers of romance and set your loved one's heart on fire. At no point does Michael recommend replacing face-to-face intimacy with that of the cold hard text, but rather he believes that this should be used in tandem with other forms of contact. He does advocate the power of the spoken word, and the ways in which texting can create passion and intimacy when structured and timed appropriately. For example, letting someone know you are thinking of them when you wake, or when they're at work creates a warm connection. Whilst texting does not seem the obvious choice for intimacy, this Text the Romance Back program elucidates how this powerful digital tool can create just the connection you desire by signaling care, warmth and devotion to those you love. One of the leading ideas behind this program is that Text the Romance Back was designed to create a sense of urgency and longing that only texting can. We live in a busy world, where people look for experiences that can be over in a flash. This tried and tested guide is based on creating a desire using the device that millions of people have at their fingertips. Why wait another day wondering how to revamp the fire in your relationship? Get started on the track to an improved and more intimate love. You and your lover will thank you for it. Click the link in the description below this video for details.